Okay, so one thing that's probably a little different than when you learn multiplication is a lot of our goal with teaching kids multiplication is that they're able to manipulate numbers and expand and take bites of a problem. So take a problem from being something that seems too big, something they can't figure out, and break it into smaller pieces. So one example might be 4 times 28. This problem would be written into a word problem, so they might say, a farmer has 4 rows of carrots. In each row there are 28 carrots. How many carrots are in the rows? So what we're expecting your child to be able to do is, we know we're multiplying by 4. So we're going to, in the top corner, put a multiplication symbol, and then we're going to multiply both spaces to figure out our area. So we can expand 28 into 20 plus 8. And then I've drawn my box where I have about 2/3 for the 20 side and 1/3 for the 8. So it would match the approximate area of these two boxes. So my first step would be, what is 4 times 20? So 4 times 20 is going to be similar to 4 times 2. So I can start with 4 times 2 is 8. If I know 4 times 2 is 8, what would 4 times 20 be? It would be 80. So I can have 80 right here, and there would be 80 as the area of this box. Then I can go to the second part of my number where there's 4 times 8. So I can either have fluency and know that off the top of my head, or I can break it into even more chunks. But for sake of time, we'll use fluency. 4 times 8 would be 32. Whenever you have a model like this, you're always going to add your products. So we have 80 plus 32 for our answer, where that'll be 112 if I'm not mistaken. So we'd have a 2 in the ones place, our 3, our 30, and our 80. We'd go 80, 90, 100, 110 for a total of 112. So they're able to break it into those pieces and fluently come to the conclusion that 4 times 28 will be 112.